Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'll show you how to turn off calendar notifications on your iPad. If you're tired of constant reminders or alerts popping up from your calendar, this step-by-step guide will help you manage or disable them completely. Let's get right to it. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section is where you control all the notifications for every app on your iPad. Next, scroll through the list of apps until you find Calendar and tap on it. Here, you have two main options. If you want to completely disable all calendar notifications, simply toggle off Allow Notifications. This will stop any alerts, banners, or sounds related to your calendar from interrupting you. If you prefer to keep some notifications, but customize them, you can adjust settings like sounds, badges, and the types of alerts you receive. You can also decide whether you want notifications on your lock screen, in the Notification Center, or not at all. Additionally, if you're using multiple calendars, like Google Calendar or another third-party app, you'll need to manage those notifications separately. They won't be affected by the changes you make to the native iPad Calendar app. Also, keep in mind that this method is a blanket approach, affecting all calendar events and tasks. If you want to manage notifications for specific events, you'll need to adjust those individually within the Calendar app. That's it. Now you have full control over how and when you get notified from your iPad's calendar. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you later.